There is a very big possibility that you must have been uploading your videos the wrong way. So on this particular video, I want to show you exactly how to upload video on YouTube so you will get more views for better optimization and everything. I've already made a video on how to upload video, but that place I talk about how to upload using mobile app. But now I want to give you the detailed pattern or method of uploading your video using the YouTube Studio. You can use it on your mobile phone, you can use your desktop or your laptop. I don't know if you're getting my point. So that is what I want to show you today. I want to walk you through the step-by-step guide. Like I always say in the previous video, any place you want to upload from, there is no problem. If you want to upload using YouTube app, there is no problem. If you want to upload using the site, there is still no problem. Both of them are the same thing. Any video that will do well will do well. The place you are uploading from is not going to determine the amount of views you are going to get on a particular video. All those features now that will help your video to get optimized fully, all of them is what I want to break down from beginning to end. So we are going to upload video here, optimize it, and do everything. So you will see the step-by-step guide on how to make an upload. So follow me carefully. Let us dive in. First of all, go to Google Chrome. Either you are using your mobile phone or your laptop. So look at what you are going to do. Go to Google Chrome, type studio.youtube.com. Make sure that the email that you use in creating your particular channel is what is logged in. So automatically it's going to take you to your studio dashboard. First of all, they will ask you continue to studio or get the app. Don't click on get the app, click on continue to studio so that it's going to take you directly to your dashboard. Let me use this particular channel and show you example. So first thing you are going to do before uploading a video is to come to this place. Look at where they wrote create. You click on create. You will see upload video. You will see upload video. You click on upload video. All right. Now it will bring you to this place. They say drag video or select file. Then you click on select file. Click on media picker. It might appear in another form depending on the phone that you are using or the system that you are using. So this is the video I want to upload. I click on it. This one they wrote in short. I click on the video. So here is the video I want to upload. So many people said that this file name here that you are supposed to rename it. Do this one, do that one. I don't know. So what I'm trying to tell you is the name that YouTube is looking at is the name that you input with your hands. Video editing apps can call your video anything. So now if you go and change the file name, then upload the video. What if maybe after uploading you feel like renaming the title again? Are you getting my point? Sometimes if you want to upload a video, that is even when the title that you are going to use for that video, the main title will come to your head. Are you not going to go and rename again? So this thing, even if it has any impact, is very little. So it will not affect your videos. Me, I don't rename anything because it's stressful. For my iPhone, I don't even know how to do that rename. It's very, very stressful. For people that are using iPhone, you understand what I'm saying. So I will advise you put your video title accurately. Forget about the file name. All right. So now, what are we going to do here? I type the name of this video is how to cook jollof rice. That's my title. If you watch closely down, you will see that the video is uploading. Can you see it? This video is uploading. The video is what? 13%, and it's still going gradually. So as this video is uploading, that is when you will not take your time and be adding the things that you are supposed to add. As it's uploading, let me show you how to optimize video fully before you make it public. Here now, everything is step by step. Everything is step by step. It's not like the YouTube app. The YouTube app they will first of all ask you to fill everything, both choose the visibility before you can now click on upload. Do you get? But here, as the video is uploading, you are doing the setup. Are you getting my point? So after the setup, you can put it on public immediately. That is when you are fully optimized. But that place we are telling you to put on private first, especially if you are uploading with app. Why you have to put it on private first is because after uploading the video, you can now come to studio, either the YouTube Studio app, and put your tags, your title, I don't know if you're getting me, organize it very well before you can now click on public. And secondly, YouTube do what is called checks on video. So if you upload, they will come down and be checking that video. They will check the video. If you upload using YouTube app, If you go back to your YouTube studio, you see it where they will write checking. Reason why they're checking that video, they want to check if you have, the sound you use, the visuals and everything, or even your content entirely follows their YouTube community guidelines. So if you did not follow that video now, let's assume now you have already made the video public while uploading with the app, and after the checks, they notice that the video did not follow their community guideline. You are going to pull the video down, and it's already public. But had it been you put it on private, then you upload. After the checks, they notified you that the video has copyright or anything. You will quietly delete the video, go back to your editing app, re-edit everything they ask you to re-edit, and post again. With that, people will now start watching the video and you will pull it down. Are you getting me? So that is why it is advised to select private first. Even for this one now that I'm doing, I can select any visibility if I'm using this plate, because as the video is uploading, YouTube is running the checks and I'm optimizing my titles and thumbnails and everything. So let us continue. The title of my video is how to cook jollof rice. I come to description. Your description is supposed to be long, but for the sake of this video, I will cut everything short. Let me just write, this video will teach you how to prepare delicious jollof rice. So let's assume this is my description. Then now you come down to thumbnail. Are you seeing how we are taking it step by step? You click on upload file. This first picture here is what I want to use as my thumbnail, so I click on it. It's updating. Let's go back to the video. You see, checks complete, no issues found. With this, they have run the checks. Okay, now let me show you another place. Come and see here. Look at checks complete. We go back to the details. So my thumbnail has updated. Look at my thumbnail, it has updated. All right, so we are still moving. This particular place now we are going to is very, very essential. We click on select playlist. I choose creators growth. It's a playlist on this particular channel. Then I click on done. All these things that I'm doing, make sure you do it like this. If you don't have playlist on your channel, try to create playlist. It helps. If you add plenty videos in your playlist and someone finish watching a particular video through your playlist, the next video that will be suggested to that person is another video from your playlist. So all those things are importance of playlist. It will make YouTube to be suggesting your video. Your video will be coming as up next. When it comes to audience, YouTube is asking you here, is your videos made for kids? You select no, it's not meant for kids. But if you are doing children's content, all those kind of nursery rhymes, all this, all those content for kids, you can choose yes, it is meant for kids. If you are not doing children content, select no, it is not meant for kids. It's very, very important. Then you click on show more. If you click on show more, you will see paid promotion. YouTube is asking you, do you have anything you want to advertise? Like, did any company pay you to advertise a particular product in this video? If you are not advertising any product on the particular video that you are posting, you just leave it like that. But if you are, you check. All right, now we are still going. You come to altered content. Now let me explain this thing to you. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something that they didn't say or do. Alters footage of real events or plays. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. Now, if your video is natural, it's not AI generated, those stuffs like that, you click no. But if the kind of content you are making falls between this thing listed here, you check yes. Now, this thing cannot affect your views. Maybe you will think that if you click yes, YouTube will not push your video. It's a lie. They will still push it. YouTube is for AI. YouTube welcomes AI. Are you getting my point? So now, for the fact that my video does not have anything that has to do with this, I click on what? No. We proceed. Automatic chapters. You can leave it as automatic. Allow YouTube. All these chapters means, as I'm making this video now, let's assume now I want to do something like top 10 apps you need to have as a YouTuber. If I click these automatic chapters, YouTube is going to use their hand and break it for me. Maybe where I talk about, after talking about number 1, if I say number 2, they will put another chapter. That is where I talk about number 2. If I say number 3, they will put another chapter. That is what this thing means. So you have to put it as automatic. Unless you want to use your hand and put the chapters manually, you can now remove this, their automatic. Aside that, you leave it as automatic. Now, This is where we have another important feature, tags. So what I'm talking about here is jollof rice. So I'm going to put some keywords here that is related to my title. I'm going to show you how my title, my thumbnail, my description, and everything relates. Now, watch. How to cook jollof rice. I click on enter. Is a tag. Homemade jollof rice. Delicious jollof rice. How to make jollof rice. I click on what? Jollof rice as a tag itself. I still have other tags to put, but for the sake of time, I will just choose these 5 tags. After tags, we go to video language, caption, and certification. So you put it where? You put it English. Yes, this one now is normally like this. You leave it like that. Recording date and location. This thing means that if there is any particular country that you want YouTube to target with that particular video, you come here and put it. Let's assume now I put United States here as video location. YouTube is going to see it as maybe this video you made it in US, or you made it for people that's in US. If you add United States here now, let me write United States. If I add United States here as my video location, it means that I equally want YouTube to extend this video to the people that are living in the United States. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's only United States people that will see the video. No. Other region, other countries that will see anybody that search how to cook jollof rice, this video will be suggested to them. But it's equally going to extend. Do you get my point? So now that is the meaning of this. Otherwise, you take it out, you leave it like that. So YouTube can just distribute. Anybody can watch, any country, any region can watch. So that is the meaning of that video location. License and distribution. This place is very, very important. Many people don't know. Allow embedding. Do you know the meaning of allow embedding? Now, have you been to a website before? Then if you go to that website, let's assume now you search something like jollof rice recipe. Then they are giving you an article on how to prepare jollof rice. After the article, you will now see a YouTube video inside that website, inside that particular page. Then after reading those articles on how to prepare jollof rice, then you now click the video and start watching. That website is not the original owner of that video, but they saw a YouTube video, embedded the YouTube video to their site. That is the meaning of this allow embedding. So if you allow it, someone might write article on website and attach your video. So the person will be watching the video from site, but the views will equally be counting for you. Are you getting me? So that is the meaning of this allow embedding. If you don't want it, if you don't want people to maybe incorporate your video to their article, in their various websites, you uncheck. But if you want it, you check. Another one is publish to subscribers and notify my subscribers. This one I've already explained it countless number of times. If you have plenty subscribers on your channel that you are sure anytime you post your video, your subscriber will start watching immediately. There is no need to uncheck this. Leave it like this. Checked. But maybe if you switched niche, if you change niche, you know that your subscribers, the new niche that you are going into, your subscribers will not be interested in that particular videos. You uncheck this so that YouTube will just forget about your subscriber for that moment and take it to entirely new different people. The new audience that you are looking for might start seeing the videos and they will equally be subscribing to your channel. So this thing is very simple. This thing is very simple to understand. If your channel has enough subscribers, you have gathered enough subscribers, you have built a fan base, leave it like this. If you post, YouTube will publish to your subscribers and notify them. They will be the first that will start watching your videos and be commenting. As they are commenting, YouTube will not be distributing it to other people that have not subscribed to your channel. All right. So that is the meaning of this thing. There is nothing hard to explain here. Now, you go down. You see short remixing. Allow video and audio remixing. Allow only audio remixing. Don't allow remixing. This remixing is for people that use other people's long form video to create shorts and do a small reaction. If you don't want people to remix your video, you click don't allow. If you want them to use only audio, you click use only audio. If you want them to use both video and audio, you click on allow audio. People will remix your audio but it's going to be as short. Someone cannot remix your video and it will turn to a long video. No, it's going to be short. So if you want to allow them, you allow them. If you don't want, you click on don't allow. For me, I'm going to allow. This is the most interesting part. This is the most interesting part, but many people don't know. Category. Most people don't select category if they're uploading video. I click on category. Cars and vehicles, comedy, this one, that one. The category now is on entertainment. But what am I posting? How to cook jollof rice. I want to teach people. It's educational. So I put it on education. Under educational, there is type. People don't pay attention to this. Under education, there is type. You click on what? Type. Are you seeing what they are bringing for you? Under education, there is type. This one is activity. The other one is concept overview. How to. Lecture. Problem walkthrough. Real life application. Science experiment. Tips. Order. Under education, they ask you to choose the type of education. I can go with how to. How to cook jollof rice. This is, if you are hearing big grammar, YouTube optimization, YouTube SEO, this is the SEO. That big grammar, this is it, simplified. YouTube setup, YouTube optimization. Here, that is what we are doing here now. This is the YouTube optimization that you are hearing. That SEO. That is what we are doing here. Trying to break down your video for YouTube to understand. If you watch these categories here, you will choose the one that best describe your content. Is it entertainment? Is it gaming? Is it how to and style? People that do lifestyle videos, stuff like that. Is it comedy? But if you are still confused on your niche, most people that are on YouTube don't know what they're doing on YouTube. If you are still confused, you don't know if you are doing vlogging or you are doing it. If you are still confused, put it at people and blog. If you have not really understood the niche, then with time, when you finally say, okay, this is the niche I want to settle with, then you will now choose the particular category that best describe your content. After that, for people that are monetized, you turn on your monetization. All right, you turn on for people that are monetized. If you're not monetized, you will not see this. You turn it on. You go to add suitability. You will read all these things. Then, if your content have any of these, you will click yes in that particular. But if all these things, your content does not have it, you click none of the above. Then you click on what? Submit rating, which means you are telling YouTube that this your video is safe for advertisers. You click on submit rating. After that, we head over to video elements. So here is where you can add your end screen and cards. But these days I don't advise people to use card, because if my video is 10 minutes video, then I put card at 6 minutes. It means that as you are watching my video, when you get to 6 minutes and card pops up and you feel that you need to watch that video, you can leave the particular one you are watching and go. You have reduced my audience retention. Are you getting me? That's your particular video. The audience retention will be reducing. So end screen is the best. But if you want to use card, there is no problem. But end screen, to me, is the best. You click on add end screen. If you click on add end screen, you click on video, one subscriber. You click on it. So YouTube will automatically place this subscribe button here and the video. Towards the end of your video, someone can click there and watch another video, or click here to subscribe to your channel. That is the meaning of this thing, this end screen. So if you want YouTube to automatically be changing videos for you, it's fine. You just leave it at best for viewer. This particular feature now is very good because YouTube work with viewers. YouTube work more with the viewers, not even the creators. So if you create a video, and YouTube leave it at best for viewers, if the person that is viewing that video finish watching your particular video, YouTube will scrutinize your channel and see another likely video the viewer will love to watch and put it for the person as end screen. Are you getting my point? So I will leave it as best for viewers, then you click on save. You click on save. But if you don't want to leave it like that, you can go to choose a specific video. You understand? Then you use your hand and select the video you want and click on save. Finally, you go to visibility. You can put on private, you can put unlisted, you can put at members only, you can put on public, depending on when you want to upload the video. If maybe you don't want the video to go public now, you put it on private, and click on save. But if you want the video to drop now, because this video now is fully optimized and YouTube have run their checks and notified me that the video has no issue. If you want this video to drop now, you click on public immediately. You understand? Easy peasy. Then you go down here. You go down to this place. Look at where they wrote publish. You click on publish. The video is out. I'm going to put it on private because this is a tutorial video. I'm not going to upload this video on YouTube, but I just want to use this and teach you exactly how to make an upload properly so you will have more views. This is the SEO, search engine optimization. This video is fully optimized, fully cooked, and ready to be served. If you go down, you will see checks. This video have no issues, no copyright issues, no this, no that. So if you get any value from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Then if you want to equally know how to upload video the right way to get more views using the YouTube app, you can check the description of this video. You are going to see it, then you watch it, compare both of them. Anyone that is most convenient for you, you can use it and be uploading your videos. Simple and short. People upload with mobile app, they still have their views. People upload with desktop version, Chrome version, they still have their views. Both of them are the same thing. Both of them are upload. I don't know if you're getting my point. So thank you for watching my video to the end, and I love you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.